part 3 session. We are talking about the backup words, right? So what is the backup word? So it's getting all the words into the multiple chunks, and based on the ASCII value it forms the words, right? So that's called a backup words. It's nothing but collecting all the words into the single bags. It's called a backup words. How to do that? Let's see. Okay, so we are splitting up the words into the multiple chunks here. We are trying to do that, and we create like a training array and output array, and we're going to do sorry, the out empty. Okay, out empty. Look at this. In Python I'm going to give the range form of loop. Okay, it's a range. You can use range to get the length of words from the labels. Okay, so how many labels and how many length of labels you have. Sorry, sorry for that. And I'm going to loop that docs, okay, in enumerable variable enumerated into docs x, because docs x is the pattern. Okay, docs x is the words which we tokenized and append in the words. Sorry, creating one bag array. So here's an exact algorithm starts looping the docs x pattern and creating an bag of array, and the words, I'm just copying this code, right? It's a stemmer one dot stem dot lower, splitting up the codes. Okay, doc. So here we don't have anything, but here we are trying to here we are trying to loop the doc. The docs is nothing but the docs x. Okay, the docs x and x we can split up into the x and doc, and we are trying to split up the words from the pattern, exactly what we're saying in the pattern. And what we are going to do, it's there in the loop itself. We are going to loop our words into thing and checking whether that word bag is append. One, else get a bag dot append 0. Okay, I think you're trying to understand. So we are looping the words. Okay, words is nothing but the sorted, what we hear, sorted set of words from the stemmer, and also we can also loop, we are checking whether that word, we are looping that word, and we are checking whether that word should is there in the words of stemmer documents. So it's nothing but the documents of enumeration. Okay, so here we check and append into the bag. Okay, let's go for the next line of code. Just output row. You want to create an output row, make sure you are in the right place to create that one. That's more important in Python, because it will not accept that syntax. Row, create that out underscore empty, what we created, and split up into the delimiter form of colon. Okay, sorry. Okay, we are splitting up the words into the using the colon delimiter, and output empty underscore row sorry, it's output row again. We're going to feed that labels in the index of docs y of x. Docs y is nothing but the tag, right? So we are giving the docs y of x is equal to 1. So we are splitting up using the delimiter called a colon, and after splitting up the output row, what we are trying to do here is right. So in the label indexes, we are trying to figure out the docs y index. Docs y is nothing but the tag. So tags y index to giving the feed of x. Okay, sorry, come again. And after that, um, we are going to train that appended bag. Okay, training that append, it's a simple one. Put it into the bag, entire bag array into that, and output dot append of our output row. Okay, so we are appending the entire bag into our training functionality, and also we are appending our output row into the output functionality. So here we can see, right, training is the array, parent array, and output is the array which we created initially. So this is how we are splitting up the words using the bag of algorithms. Okay, and we'll see in the next video on how to create like a DNN, how to write a code for DNN. It's a deep neural network. It's 5 lines of code that you have to be focused on the DNN. After splitting up the bag of words algorithm, right, you have to how to train using the DNN. So we'll see that code into the next session. Please follow. Thanks for watching this. We'll meet up on the part 4. Thank you.